Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Wati versus AiSensy. So if you don't know what these two are, Wati is a WhatsApp business API platform tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, offering tools for customer support, automation, and team collaboration. And AiSensy, on the other hand, is a WhatsApp marketing platform focusing on automation, broadcasting, and integrations suitable for businesses aiming for rapid outreach and engagement. So both of them are plugins for WhatsApp. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with Wati here. So Wati's pros are that it is user-friendly and it has no-code chatbot builder. It has a no-code chatbot builder, and it has advanced API access and webhook integrations, and supports Instagram integration and AI-powered chatbots. So the cons of Wati is that it has higher pricing tiers, additional charges for features like green tick verification and extra agents. It also has limited customization in low-tier plans, and customer support primarily by email with potential delays. Now let's go over to AiSensy right here. The pros of AiSensy is that it is a more affordable pricing with unlimited users and free green tick verification. It has fast message broadcasting, like 10,000 messages in 17 minutes, which approximately, and comprehensive features including click tracking, WhatsApp payments, and CRM integrations. And the cons of it is that it is limited in advanced chatbot customization, and it has no native mobile app, relies on web interface, and some features may require additional costs or have usage limits. So you should choose Wati right here if you prioritize advanced integrations and a user-friendly interface and AI-driven features and are willing to invest in high-tier plans, and opt for AiSensy if you're seeking a cost-effective solution with robust broadcasting capabilities, quick setup, and comprehensive marketing tools. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.